Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial of Angular. Today we are going to learn about ways to add the dynamic CSS custom properties in components. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. The first method is using the style binding in the template. So Angular allows you to bind the CSS custom properties directly in the components template using the property binding style. So change the theme colors dynamically. So here we have the template. Okay, so on the button click we are going to change the color. Okay, so in the div class box we have a style primary color. Okay, style dot primary color, right? And the primary color dynamic CSS variable, and we have the style for this. Okay, so dot box, right? And here the background color change irrespective of the click button. So what we have to, we have initialized a variable with primary color red, and with the click on the change color this will change to green. Okay, and if I go and check, the primary color CSS variable is set dynamically via style.primary color. The color changes when the button is clicked. Let's check the code also. So in the component dot contact us, so here we have the dynamic CSS variable with style.primary color and the change color, and in the component we have defined the change color and the primary color, right? So let's go and just check, just reload this. First, this is red. I haven't click on this button. Now I'm going to change the color, it changes, right? So this is how you can apply the dynamic CSS custom properties in Angular components. This again, there would be extension of this video, that is the second one, that is setting the CSS variable dynamic using the renderer tool, in the next video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.